Whenever the CGI Center sets up a temporary operating room, patients with cysts and warts can receive minor surgery. Dr. Robert C. Tsai, Deputy CEO of the CGI Medical Foundation Philippines, invited a team of surgeons to treat 44 patients. In the waiting area, however, a large mass on Esmael Guema immediately caught the medical team's attention. He had lived with it for 11 years.
Natuklasan ko na may lus-lus na ako na nasa Saudi Arabia ako. Umuwi ako dito sa Pilipinas kasi malaki na kasi. Yun, pinakuan ko sa amin naman sa probinsya para matanggal na to. Wala ng pera kaya hindi natuloy doon sa
During the surgery, doctors determined that Esmael needed to be transferred to a larger hospital. An ambulance was quickly arranged, and an anesthesiologist was put on standby.
May mga tao tayo dyan sa area ng Tsuchi, may tao tayo dito sa hospital. Even Sunday morning, may nabuot kaming team na easily available. Kaya wala tayong masyadong delay. Kaya nagawa namin yung procedure in a safe way.
Kasi matagal na yan tinaano eh. Kaya ngayon, okay na. Kaya maraming salamat po.
After 11 years of suffering, Esmael is finally free from his illness, and his dream of returning to work now seems within reach. ITV reports.